Hey guys, oh my god, I have finally finished learning 3 style. And if you don't know what 3 style is, this is a method for blindfolded solving that can solve 2 pieces at once, while the beginner method solves 1 piece at once. And it has a lot of cases, which makes it seem really, really hard. So I'll just go a bit into that. There are 440 cases for edges and 378, I believe, for corners. And it seems like a lot of memorization. If these were algorithms, then this would be basically impossible. But these are not algorithms. These are intuitive, just like you would do F2L. There are 40 cases for F2L, but you don't actually learn 40 things to be able to do F2L. So it's kind of like that. And so here, as I'm watching this, I really don't like what I'm seeing because I'm pausing more than it feels like I'm pausing during the solves, and that's one thing I definitely got to work on. But I have not gotten to any like optimization stage yet. I'm just trying to be able to do all of it. Oh, that +2 was sad. So that was still a really good solve for me. 40 is really good, so that's after the +2. And this is actually a 36 mean, which is crazy because my best mean besides this is like a 39 or 40, but this beat my PB 40 mean at the time. So I was really surprised. And also this was like just me testing, filming with like 2 cameras at once, and I suddenly get a PB mean. I actually started off with like 5 DNFs in a row because I was nervous. Okay, so the solve you're watching right now, the memorization was like 13 seconds or something like that, really good. And I managed to get a 30-second solve on this one. All right, wait for it. Okay, see that pause right there? So that's me not getting a 29 because I just learned that algorithm like the day before. Well, anyway, that could have been better, but I know I'll be even better in the future because, as you can see, there are still like pauses in random places, and I'm not turning near my fastest. So I still need to do a lot of what's called think ahead. So in Blindfolded, you do think ahead, while in F2L, you do look ahead because in Blindfolded, you already know everything you're going to do. It's just a matter of doing one algorithm as you don't think about it, and then moving on to the next one right away without a pause. You can still see here I'm having a slight pause between each algorithm, and hopefully once I'm really smooth, it'll be at the point where you can't even tell that I'm doing multiple algorithms. It would be so cool if I could just like do the whole thing in one go, but I think that will take like a long time of practice. So that's what I'm going to be working on next. And plus I just learned the algorithms, so sometimes I get to a case and I like don't even remember what I'm supposed to do. Okay, so here I didn't realize that I got the PB mean yet, so I'm just like going into the next solve, but then I looked, and then here you can see me reacting to discovering that I just got a 36 mean. So much like most people, I thought 3 style would be super hard because, you know, hundreds and hundreds of cases, but as it turns out, it was a lot easier than I thought it would be. Now, it wasn't easy at all. It still took a lot of months, but it was actually like a lazy few months because instead of just learning the whole thing at once, which would probably take a couple of weeks to a month, I decided I still wanted to do solves and be fast during that time because I tend to get demotivated if I have to learn too much at once. So I thought this was a good learning style for me, which ended up being slower, but I got the job done in the end anyway. I'll make more videos in the near future about simplifying the learning process for 3 style because it is a lot less scary than I thought it would be, and I hope to be able to show that to you guys. So it's back to training for me. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.